There is, and I think will always be, a market here. And the US needs to remain safe. It needs to remain competitive. One of the things I tell students, the government is generally a very exciting place to be involved because you're solving problems that aren't the same as like a commercial organization. But I can think of my own career and some of the very strange things that I've had to think about buying and the positive effects that that could ultimately have. Those effects are supposed to improve our country and the way we are able to live, how safe we can feel walking out the door. There's so much exciting stuff that the government does, that the government buys, that the government researches. And I do think it's worthwhile to try and be a part of that, either as a government contractor or as a professional in the government. So don't sleep on the government. Come try and help them in some way. Because I think if you try and help the government first, profitability and all those other things do definitely follow.